This is my 2004 Ford Focus, 142,000 miles. I've had it for 2 years. The only thing I've done is change the oil and a thermostat and housing replacement. Today, I'm going to give it a little love. I like using the tire foam under the hood. It helps lift the dirt, and then it leaves behind a little oil residue on the black plastic parts. After rinsing, I just wipe down with a microfiber cloth. I hit it again with a second coating of tire foam and let it set for a moment and wipe it down, leaving some oil residue. Anyways guys, there it is. That's my quick and cheap way to clean the engine compartment of a car. So this is what I use on all my daily drivers. You know, I like the results. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. When somebody opens up the hood of the car, they're going to think that the car is well maintained. Thanks for watching.